how to play Stumble Guys with friends. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can play Stumble Guys with friends, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to play Stumble Guys with your own friends, open the Stumble Guys game over here, and then on the right hand side you'll find something that says party, so make sure to tap the party option here. Now you can either join a party that someone has created, or you can create your own party and then make sure to add some friends if you like. So you can tap on the custom game over here, or you can tap on normal game and then create a party. If you are the friend who is inviting, you want to make sure to actually copy this room code here. Once you give this room code to your friend, what your friends need to do is your friend needs to come to the party section, and then in the room section they have to simply make sure to paste the code that you send them, and then they can tap the join option. Then you will be able to create a room and immediately play. And this way you should be able to play Stumble Guys with your friends. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.